In the vastness of the ocean where predators lurk and storms churn the waters, one creature has quietly mastered what we humans have only dreamed of: cheating death. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. At first glance, it looks like any ordinary jellyfish, tiny, translucent, and fragile. But beneath that delicate surface lies one of the greatest survival tricks in the natural world. When faced with illness, starvation, or injury, most creatures either fight to survive or die. But Turritopsis does something no other known animal can do. It hits the reset button on life. Instead of aging, this jellyfish undergoes a process called transdifferentiation. Its adult cells transform back into juvenile cells, essentially turning the creature into a younger version of itself. Imagine if, instead of dying from old age, you reverted to a baby and started your life over. Again and again. It's not a metaphor, it's real. Scientists have watched this jellyfish repeat the cycle, adult to youth, youth to adult, over and over. In theory, it could continue this loop forever, as long as it avoids being eaten or destroyed. That's why it's often called biologically immortal. It doesn't mean it can't die, but left alone, it has no natural expiration date. This discovery has sparked global curiosity. Could this jellyfish hold the key to reversing aging in humans? Researchers are now studying how its cells reprogram themselves, hoping to apply similar principles to regenerative medicine, aging, and even cancer research. But there's still a catch. Despite its superpower, Turritopsis dohrnii is incredibly hard to study in the wild. It's small, barely the size of a fingernail, and nearly invisible in open water. In fact, most of what we know comes from a few successful lab cultures and isolated observations. Still, the implications are huge. A tiny jellyfish drifting silently through the ocean may one day help us unlock the secrets of eternal youth. No futuristic machines, no mythical potions. Just one of nature's smallest creatures doing the impossible. So next time someone tells you immortality is just a fantasy, tell them about the jellyfish that refuses to die. And if that fascinated you, hit like. Comment what you'd do if you could restart life, and subscribe for more wild truths nature is hiding in plain sight.